Hello guys, welcome to another episode. I'm really excited about this episode because I have new LEDs. So thank you to Bosla for creating these lights. I get some 9005 last time. If you guys remember, I have an episode, I'm gonna put it right here, where I did the 9005 on the high beams for my Honda Accord. And those are those lights right here. Amazing lights, can't complain, they're really good quality. And this time I didn't order through the website, I ordered some from Amazon. And this time I get some H11s, and it was gonna be an installation for my buddy on his 2008 Chevy Tahoe, but the truck is not working right now. So we can do the installation on his truck, and it's H11s, it's just perfect for low beams on his truck. Unfortunately, it's not gonna work. Now, I can put the LEDs, the new ones, on my RAV4 for the fog lights. But the problem right now is that my wife used the RAV4 and she always used the automatic lights at nighttime. So these new lights, they have 4 different modes, 3 colors. And she used automatic lights and they're gonna be going on and off on different colors. So it's not gonna work for her. And the problem on the RAV4, on the headlights, is LED, but those lights are sealed. You cannot change the LEDs. Now, the only solution for now is to put them on my Honda Accord on the fog lights. This is the new Bosla H11s. 6000K is gonna be a bright white. 4300K is gonna be warm white, and 3000K is gonna be yellow light. And it has another mode, which is gonna be the SOS mode. So actually it's 3 colors, 4 different modes. So every time that you turn on and off your lights, the color is gonna change, and on the fourth one it's gonna have SOS lights, and I believe it's on yellow. So we're gonna test that out. You have to remove the glass before you do the installation. If you can see on the light, on this side is gold and on the other side is silver. You have to remove the glass, do the installation, super easy to do. This is the resistor, just plug it in, get it tight, connect it to your H11. You can mount this with zip ties or screws. And like I said, installation is really easy. You just remove the bulb, put the other one, connect it. We don't need to show you that, pretty much is the same as we did on the 9005 for the high beams on my Accord. So I'm gonna show you right now how they look and how they perform. Okay, if you can see right there, my boy put it on. Really easy to put this on. The gold is on the left and the silver on the right. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Put the gold to the outside of the vehicle and the silver to the inside of the vehicle so we can match the lights. Okay guys, and just to show you, my boy did the installation on that side, the passenger side, and I still have a switchback on this side. Let me show you the difference between the Bosla and those LEDs that I have. If you can see right now, that one, the new Bosla, is brighter than this one. And that one is only white and yellow. That one is white. There is 6000K. That's the 4300K. Now let me show you the yellow one. That's the 3000K. And now the best part. And that's the SOS mode. That's yellow right there. It's not the same color as this one. This one looks a little bit darker. So that one I think is a little bit better because it's brighter, as you can see right there. What do you guys think? I think these LEDs are amazing. Like I told you before, I never been this excited about LEDs. Now with this Bosla, man, imagine on the headlights. So hopefully we can make another episode on my body's 2008 Tahoe, because on the headlights they're gonna look even better. Some other LEDs, they have fans and they're really loud. These Boss lights, they're really quiet. Wow, those are the fog lights. What do you guys think? I love them. They're amazing. I need to adjust the fog lights. They're really low. To get the best out of these lights, I need to bring them up a little bit. They're way too low. Well, there you have it, guys. Installation is done. I just need to adjust the fog light, bring them up a little bit, and it's gonna be good to go. Okay, guys, I'll leave you with that. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get these LEDs. And they don't have only H11s. They have 9005, 9006, HA. They have all of them on these amazing, amazing lights. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.